This is Dino bhai's residence, and here is Dino bhai.
Welcome home,
Yeah,
Prakash.
after
Very hard-working and sincere creators.
this is the entire collection. Like it looks so different looking at it in person. I've seen multiple times in videos, and look at the setup that he has. थोड़ा explain कर दो Dino bhai.
These are all the helmets. Whoever you are, it is because of your mom and dad's sacrifice. वो
Yeah.
मत भूलना, क्योंकि अगर आप उसको overlook करोगे ना, जिंदगी भर पछताओगे.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday evening and I am here at Dino bhai's residence because we decided to have a night ride today. It's not a long ride, it's just a chai ride. We are just catching up for tea and I'll be riding with him. So I'm just waiting for him. This is his location. I have arrived here just now, and right now the time is 8:37. So I'm super excited. Let's see what the day has to offer. I have parked my motorcycle. Dino bhai has asked me to come up. This is Dino bhai's residence, and here is Dino bhai.
Welcome home, Prakash.
Yeah, after-
very hard-working and sincere creators. So glad to meet such a these days very no bullshit and very serious content and worthy content. So I am so happy to have him as a brother.
Yeah.
Welcome home.
Yeah, so I have seen your home in videos, like the background that you show many times. But first time I think I'm fortunate to meet you in person, and what an opportunity. So see this, guys, he has this entire wall which is there with all the work that he has done, like 10 years of dedication. 10
All
years
the
of,
bikes we owned, all the bikes we written, little bit of achievements like that was I think 40 lakh. उंगली का फोटो डाले तो उसके इसमें डालना भूल गया हूँ तलाश में, लेकिन 40 lakh का फोटो है. And then this panel is all dedicated to
oh,
Daytona.
this side is complete Daytona.
So
Nice.
that's the most prized positions.
Yeah,
And yeah, we'll look at the helmet collection.
sure. So let's go inside. This is the entire collection. Like it looks so different looking at it in person. I've seen multiple times in videos, and look at the setup that he has. थोड़ा explain कर दो Dino bhai.
These are all the helmets. This has a lot of nostalgia. You can see there's a little bit of scratch here. There was one crash during testing one motorcycle.
Uh-huh.
Very fortunate that nothing happened. And this is a liquid carbon helmet from
Yeah,
KYT.
KYT.
KYT India had sent this for testing.
Nice.
This I bought. This is carbon airframe carbon pro from Icon helmets, and this is AG Pista GPRR Mugello edition with the Valentino Rossi's signature. This is Ruroc Atlas 3, and this is from a Suzuki ride. They had given me this helmet during the course of the ride, and that is AGV K5S. That is I think that is K1.
Yeah, AGV K1.
K1 Winter Test Edition. That is also limited edition helmet. Fortunately, me and Paji, we went window shopping, and we found that, and Paji actually paid for that. And I haven't paid him back.
We can say sponsored by JS Paji.
Sponsor जबरदस्ती करवा दिया उसको.
And we have a couple of miniature motorcycles.
Yeah,
over.
this
These
is
are
all
cruiser
the-
motorcycles.
This is again a licensed Ferrari product.
Oh, this is the
Similar-
original product.
Yeah, this one, even this one. These are all licensed products. This is La Ferrari, black color. That is FXXK.
Oh.
So these are all licensed products. So
Nice.
pretty expensive, not so easy to have a
Yeah, you have made a full collection, like years of work.
Dedication.
And here it is complete super sports lineup. Super sport, I can see Ducati S1000, R1, Super Duke,
yeah.
GSA, Fireblade, Busa, then
uh,
MotoGP Yamaha bike,
Yeah.
and then H2R. We have a Tiger. This I don't know what this bike is. I'm forgetting the name.
DRL.
Ducati DRL. Yeah, nice collection, Dino. I really loved it.
And this is the Workstation.
This is
The ROG G15.
oh, you have a proper gaming laptop
Yeah.
for editing.
Yeah, this has RTX series. This thing.
Which one is it?
RTX
3050.
Yeah, 3050.
3050.
And Ryzen 9. So top of the line.
Top of the
performance.
line. Nice.
And this is a new gaming kind of desk that I bought from Amazon.
Oh.
That's really good.
Nice.
This is X4 from Insta360 India.
Ah, yeah.
So X5 they haven't sent it yet. So this is DJI Action 5 Pro. There are two of them.
Oh. So this is
the C30.
C30 Blue Armor
Blue
C30.
Armor, one of the best intercoms because this has never let me down. and audio and call clarity.
It's
And
amazing.
really looking forward to. We just slapped on the C20 on the Rock.
Acha, you got the C20 also,
So,
just launched.
Just
Nice.
launched, so I was there for the media launch. So
Nice.
They just gave all the media folks a unit.
Actually, even I was looking at this. I thought of sending them an email to test it.
Definitely, I'll send your profile. They'll
Yeah.
send one across to
Yeah,
you
yeah.
immediately. Please feel free to share your opinion as
Sure, sure. I'll share that. And usually
well.
you
It's very untidy.
It's okay. It's okay. That's how a creator ऐसे ही रहता है.
क्रिएटर ये सॉफ्ट लाइट है.
हाँ.
ये भी लिया था. मिररलेस कैमरास है. उसके lenses भी है.
हाँ. And I can see this wall also is nicely decorated.
हाँ, this is also nicely decorated.
This is gifted to you by someone.
This was birthday gift. ठीक है. और ये जो है GS Experience का level 1. ठीक है. GS Experience level 1. इसके पीछे है level 2. ठीक है. GS Experience का
This is GS Experience
level 1, level 2. This is great Ladakh tour that where we went to Umlingla.
Yes.
First lot actually make it to Umlingla. After that, lot of people made it.
KTM was the first one who did that.
Because जब road open हुआ.
Correct.
क्योंकि पहले they closed it first.
हाँ. For civilians it was closed.
हाँ, क्योंकि थोड़े लोग गए when the dirt road was there, जैसे जुनैर वो लोग जाके आए. लेकिन when the road was being made, they closed it. ठीक है. Road open होने के बाद first group जो गया KTM का. ठीक है. उसमें मैं था. And it was very good ride. And this is one of a kind movie screening experience. Fastex का movie screening हुआ था. Like that I was one of part of the guests there. And of course Tara missing my blue Busa. Let's hope.
Sometime you get it back.
Let's hope. We never know.
Yeah, this was your 10R. You owned it for quite some time and then you had to sell it, right?
Yeah,
I know the reason.
I sold it and bought this house.
अच्छा, you sold that and bought this house.
अब देखो कितना अच्छा बना है. Because all this ना I had it in mind कि अपना एक रूम रहना चाहिए. क्योंकि when I started out, मेरा पहला YouTube इनकम कितना रहेगा तू एक बार गेस कर ले. मैं खुल्ला बोल देता हूँ. मेरा जो फर्स्ट YouTube ये था रेवेन्यू था 2,500 rupees after 1 month's hard work. Okay, after resigning my job and starting and monetization होने के बाद.
And back then also you had a job which used to pay good amount.
Very hefty amount.
Very hefty amount.
So my dad had the choicest of curses. उस डैड कॉल्ड हिज फ्रेंड्स. अरे ये तो पागल हो गया है. अच्छा खासा सॉफ्टवेयर जॉब छोड़ के यूट्यूब बोल रहा है. पता नहीं क्या होगा इसका. शादी हो गई, बच्चे हो गए.
But you were passionate and you knew.
I was sure and so was my beloved wife. So भाभी से भी मिलाऊंगा मैं आपको. She is the source of strength. क्योंकि अभी तक एक भी दिन उन्होंने क्वेश्चन नहीं किया कि ये क्यों कर रहा है. She trusted me and we are all now in a very very comfortable place by God's grace with people's support.
Yes.
क्योंकि जब दिलो जान से बंदा कुछ करता है ना.
Correct.
तो दुनिया अपने आप support.
And there is one more thing that I liked about you. Like you said, you sold that bike to buy this house.
Yeah.
It means that you prioritize things in your life. Of course, we are enthusiasts, but for the young generation, it is very important to understand
The relevance.
they don't understand. They just see YouTube and they get carried away.
मम्मी पापा को सताना, उनको गालियाँ देना. भाई trust me, I lost my mom and dad. आज भी जब मुझे याद आती है ना वो दिन जब मैं वॉइस रेज किया मम्मी के अगेंस्ट या डैड के अगेंस्ट ना, रोना आ जाता है. Because I can't go and tell them sorry now. चले गए वो लोग.
Exactly.
क्योंकि ना आप अभी जाके अगर हो सके तो वीडियो देख रहे हो जाके मम्मी पापा को एक हक दे के बोल दो कि यू लव देम. बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हाट सैक्रिफाइस दे डिड. आप जो बन चुके हैं आज, योर हेल्थ या जो भी है, whoever you are, it is because of your mom and dad's sacrifice. वो मत भूलना. क्योंकि अगर आप उसको ओवरलुक करोगे ना जिंदगी भर पछताओगे. Because when you want to have them, they'll not be there.
Exactly, and this is a very good advice that you are giving to the upcoming people. And you guys get carried away looking at the videos, the kind of bikes we ride, but don't get carried away. Dino bhai has told the reality today, what he did in order to reach here. So you need to go through all this struggle. Success there is no shortcut to success. There is no shortcut to success. Yeah, nice to meet you, Dino bhai. And usually you sit over here and this is the background, right? And today I'm showing the behind the scenes. Amazing, Dino bhai.
आज तेरे को एक इतना बढ़िया चाय पिलाऊंगा ना, तू जिंदगी भर याद रखेगा. तू हैदराबाद, यू बीन देयर फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम, but I am pretty damn sure after having this chai, this is something that you will get. I don't want you to get addicted to it, but it will be so good that it will be literally rejuvenating your mind. So let's go on a chai ride.
Yes, so we are going for a chai ride and let's see which kind of chai Dino bhai is offering me. So it's a unique experience, so let's see what the day has to offer. We are starting with the ride and Dino bhai is taking out his bike, and the audio clarity might not be that great when I was filming inside Dino bhai's house because I did not bring my mic. I didn't know that I'm going to go inside his house, or else I would have brought it. But the audio quality might not be great, but the message that is conveyed, that is really loud and clear. Dino bhai is here. He is riding the gorilla. So it's not a long ride. We are just riding for around 10 kilometers from here, 10 or 12 kilometers. Then we'll have some chai. Every time I meet Dino bhai, he'll be riding some or the other bike. Even this is a media bike which he has got for testing. Dino bhai rides with responsibility. It's such a pleasure to ride with him. We are at Secunderabad and we have reached our chai point. Let's see, where is this? I can see a chai board over there. I think that's the place. Okay, so we are here. This is the place. ये टेल लाइट एकदम BMW S1000 दिखता है.
वहीं से उठाया है.
हाँ. This is also a media bike.
Yeah.
When did you get?
Bike, so actually एक बार दिए, वो खत्म हो गया, वापस दे दिया. It was a brand new bike.
हाँ.
900 किलोमीटर, 1000 का सर्विस था.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद ये अगेन 0 किलोमीटर.
फिर से.
Wanted a night shoot, urban shoot.
अच्छा.
They want to position this as a urban commuter bike.
Urban commuter. Yeah, it is actually urban commuter. Roadster bike. Yeah. The place is Blue Sea Tea and Snacks. I'll have chai and then I'll see you guys later. We are done with chai and now we are going to a place where we will have Hyderabadi shawarma. चलो बाय डिनो भाई, मिलेंगे फिर से. हाँ हाँ, विल कीप इन टच. हाँ हाँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप आओ हकीम पेट में, अपना घर दिखाऊंगा आपको. ठीक है, फिर वहाँ वो साइड जाएंगे. सो आई एम डन विथ माई डे. इट वॉज अ नाइस, इट वॉज अ लवली डे meeting and chatting with Dino bhai. We spoke for good 1.5 hours at this shawarma joint. Spoke so many things about YouTube career and learned so many things from Dino bhai. He has a lot of experience and I get to learn a lot of things from him. And this is what happens when two creators meet. So yeah, that's about it in this video. And if you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.